Hi, it's Steve here from SMC County Garage SEAT, and today I'd like to show you around a very nice, very low mileage 2021 SEAT Arona SE technology. Now this car is finished in metallic white with the contrasting black roof, and this short video is going to show you how nice the car is. Now the first thing you notice when you move inside the Aronas is the big media screen, which incorporates a lot of features, satellite navigation, Bluetooth hands-free, that sort of thing. Now they all have this contrasting grey and black cloth seat, so space for 5 people, 3 in the back, 2 of which could use the Isofix fitments, or you could carry 5 adults if need be. Now the Arona's trump card is probably its versatility with the boot. Now you have a 2-tier boot floor, so if you need the boot to be flat, then you can do, and I'll try and demonstrate this whilst holding the camera. So the boot floor at the moment is in its lower position, so ideal if you're carrying boxes that are a little bit heavier. And if you bring that up, lift it forward, and then, there we go, slide it in front, it makes the boot access virtually flat. So 60-40 split seat, so if you are carrying anything a bit larger, with the floor in its higher position, it makes for an almost level entrance. Now this car, believe it or not, is coming up 4 years old. It's just over 4 years old and it's covered 16,000 miles. Amazingly low, really. Now this is powered with the 1 litre TSI engine, which is a turbocharged 1 litre engine, so in old money it's more like a 1.6, so it's got plenty of performance. And this is the lovely touchscreen big media system, so everything seems to be touchscreen nowadays. So this incorporates Bluetooth hands-free, also Bluetooth audio, so you can stream music files and things like that. It also has a lovely big simple to operate navigation system, as well as the option of connecting your mobile phone for Android Auto or Apple CarPlay. Now if you want to get involved in the different views, the different settings, then you can personalize an awful lot of this, changing the displays and even going into the different driving assistance menus. Now all of these models have cruise control, and this one has, say, look at that, 16,400 miles. Now hopefully this video shows you how great the condition is. It's in superb order. It's been very well serviced at SEAT, and it would leave here with a 12-month MOT as well as a 12-month warranty. So if you're interested, then please don't hesitate to get in touch. Thanks ever so much. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.